the cake. Get video evidence of it.
What a cake. That was a lot of effort for Emma.
I don't even have a blister.
Where'd you get a blister?
From cake making.
From cake making. Well, there you go. The video evidence that she had made an amazing cake before it may collapse on the way down to Sydney. Hopefully not. No.
Positive thoughts over the cake.
Positive thinking over the cake.
It's not going to collapse. It's not going to collapse.
Keep your hands away from
it. It's not going to collapse.
And there's a little cake offshoot. I've been eating this bit. It's good. Morning and welcome to the first day off to Mackay today. First time going to Mackay. I'm going to be there for 2 nights. Going to go try and fly the drone around tomorrow and show you what there is to do in, I think it's the Mackay Marina. Yeah, so let's go to, as the locals call it, Macktown. If you guys ever wonder how I can afford to travel so much besides working for an airline, I don't spend much money on cars. Here's my car. Look at that sweet custom paint job. This car has no air conditioning except for these windows. When you wind them down and the car starts moving, there's your aircon. Alright, time to head to work, so let's go to Mackay. First Boeing trip, here we go. We're in Mackay now, just like that, and we're in Mackay. Well, this is my first time to Mackay. It's currently 9:30 at night, and I've got a pretty big room. Let me show you the room. I have a kitchen, I've got a lounge room, we've got this big bathroom with washing machine and dryer, and we've got this big bed. Woo! And, oh, there's one more thing. And a balcony. So that's the room tour. I just saw some Christmas lights down in the marina, so I want to go check that out and take some photos. Want to come see? Well, you're coming anyway. There's like practically no light anywhere for me to film this, so you'll have to see it tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'll see you in the morning where we fly our drone, who again yet to be named, around the harbour. Alright, good night for now. Morning! Alright, time to head to the buffet breakfast here, and once I've had my big fill, I am going to go for a walk around the Breakwater and take my little Mavic. Good plan. Alright, let's eat. Alright, breakfast done. Time to head over to the Breakwater over there. It's quite pretty. It's going to be a very hot day. Should have brought sunscreen. Definitely gonna get burnt today.
Let's make a run together. I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever. I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun...
Every now and then a cloud goes over the sun and it's like 10 degrees cooler. So nice. I kept getting distracted by the water. It's just so mesmerizing. Alright, let's put the drone up. Now.
nice, I think. She was a bit windy, but the Mavic handled very well. I think I got some cool photos and video. You let me know. You just saw it. I haven't seen it yet. Well, I'm really thirsty. I forgot to bring water, so I should have brought water, but that's all right. Gonna head back, get some water, and then head over to the beach and fly a little bit around there. And then it's time for fish and chips for lunch. And they call this a job. I'm not quitting. I love the job. It's only 10:30 and I'm already melting. I'm not trying to look cool. I'm just trying to keep cool with this brim on this side because the sun's there. How do people live in this heat? And I gotta go to Darwin in a few days. That's even worse. Anyway, bye. Alright, the beach is too tempting not to put my feet in. However, that's a typical Australian beach. Crocodiles, jellyfish. The vinegar bottle's empty, so if you get stung, better run. I've lost me feet. Let's get some water now. Cuttlefish, 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 cuttlefish. Hot, hot. Alright, rehydrated. Let's get some fish and chips for lunch. Down at the lighthouse. Yum.
Let's make a run together. I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up.
Say I got burnt today would be an understatement. Look at my feet. Look at a tan. Look at a tan line. That's gonna hurt tomorrow. Or next day. And the next day. And the next day. Well, as I sit here on the beach in Mackay, or Macktown, reflecting on my first trip here on the Boeing. And I want to say thank you so much to the crew. You guys are awesome. Couldn't have asked for a more amazing crew for my first trip. No, I'm very happy for what's ahead with this aircraft and with my job. So yeah, I'll probably call it the day here now in Mackay. It is only about 2 in the afternoon, but I'll put one more little drone flight up, little end montage. I will see you in the next trip, and we're off to Darwin in a couple of days. So I will see you guys when we head to Darwin. All right, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe if you like. Don't have to. And share and like and all those fun stuff all down below. And I'll see you next video. The kite's over setting up. Let me get my drone up first. one last thing, I'm going to show you the balcony in the daytime. So, all down there, all over here, and in here. So you know what I'm going to say, being that there's so many room for activities, I'll let the stepbrothers say it for me.
Look at all the sports space. So many aerobics in here. So many activities.